What's the meaning of boletus? Boletus. Boletus.
Boletus. Boletus. Boletus is a genus of edible mushrooms that grow in forests throughout the world. They are characterized by their fleshy caps, thick stems, and sponge-like undersides instead of gills. The name boletus is derived from the Latin word boletus, which means a kind of mushroom with a stem. The mushrooms in this genus are highly prized for their savory flavor and meaty texture, making them a popular ingredient in many culinary dishes. Some of the most well-known species of boletus include B. edulis, B. epinophilus, and B. subtomentosus.